Hi eBayers, it's Suzanne, and I wanted to give you some information on sending offers. You may have noticed that when you go to send an offer, instead of saying how many watchers an item has, it now says interested buyers. And I've seen a lot of posts on my Facebook group about what does this mean. So I sent eBay for Business a quick note and said, what exactly is an interested buyer on the send offer workflow? It used to say watchers, now it says interested buyers. Can you explain the criteria of an interested buyer? And they replied, we are in the process of expanding options with seller initiated offers to also include buyers who have interacted with your listing recently. This means the interested buyers will include not only watchers, but other buyers who may be interested in your item too. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions. Well, that didn't really clarify anything because what is the definition of an interested buyer? Is that someone who has viewed your listing, bought something similar, is watching something similar, put the item in their cart? It's not really defined. So I did send this follow-up question to eBay for Business, which I have not heard back on, and they may not know. It may not be information that we get to know. Sometimes it is the way it is, and that's all they're going to tell us. But I will definitely do a follow-up if I get an answer on this with more clarification of the definition of an interested buyer. So, what am I doing about this? Because some of you have asked. If the item shows up in my send offer workflow, I send an offer. eBay has it set up this way for a reason, and I'm not really concerned about what makes a buyer, quote, interested. I don't really care. If I have the option to send an offer, I'm going to do it. Some sellers have expressed concern with annoying buyers, maybe repelling them by sending these offers to people who aren't really, quote, watchers. And if eBay feels this feature repels buyers or is counterproductive, they'll change it. So as it stands now, I don't really care about the label put on the person that it's going to. If they're a watcher, if they're a viewer, if they put it in their cart, if they bought something similar, if it's another seller. I know in my case, a lot of them are other sellers that are watching me. And just a side note on that, you can opt out of receiving these offers. So if you're watching my items, you're going to get offers. And if you're an interested buyer, you're going to get an offer. So that's just the way I am approaching this. If eBay gives us this option to send offers, I'm going to do it because I sell a lot of items that way. So I will definitely follow up with the answer from eBay for Business on the exact definition of an interested buyer. They may reply with, we don't know, that information's not available. Who knows, but I will follow up with that in a future video. Thanks for watching and have a profitable and productive day on eBay. Bye.